Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. If you guys have not been paying attention to the past 5 hours of the Shiba Inu chart, you might have missed out on some very interesting patterns it has started to form. By the way, if you are a holder of Shiba Inu, I have something very interesting to tell you at the end of the video. Make sure you watch the last 1 minute, it is going to be an important one. By the way, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video just to show everyone how strong the army really is. Let's go for 207 likes. If we smash that, that would be insane. But other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart of Shiba Inu. It is starting to look very interesting. If we look at this line, you guys can see in this zigzag line, it is literally flat. It's been such a long time since I've seen this inside the Shiba Inu 1 hour chart, but you can see after it did come down from this point where we had a small spike up, we did have a small retracement, which was actually over the period of nearly 48 hours. So it was a very long retracement, and now you guys can see it has started climbing back up a little bit, but at the same time it is a pretty flat line, showing that we are in a small consolidation period. Again, you guys need to understand that we are starting to form a very strong support close to the 70 mark, which is 0.00070. Now this support will help us so much in the future. You need to understand that. At the same time, another thing is you guys can see the candle channel has started to form and has started to become a lot smaller than before. You can see right here the candle channel became way too big. It was way too hard to decipher if it's going to be an uptrend, downtrend, what is happening, what pattern it is forming. But you can see as we have moved forward in the last 24 hours, it has started to become smaller and smaller. If you guys do not know, when the candle channel is becoming smaller, that means a symmetrical triangle or any pattern is starting to close in. And if we look at the 1 day chart, you will be able to see it. But before I show you that, I want to show you guys the RSI line. You can see we are well below the 50 mark, showing that we are extremely oversold, which is really good because now all the big buyers, you can see just in the last 2 hours there has been some buy orders that have come in, but all the big buyers will be looking into buying because you guys know RSI is one of the biggest reasons or biggest thing that the big investors actually look at, and whenever it is oversold they like to walk in and close in some profit as soon as possible. Now what is interesting is as smaller the candle channel gets in the 1 day chart, you guys can see that the whole of the symmetrical triangle that we talked about is clearly starting to form. So from this all-time high that we went to, you can see it has started to go down, meaning that this all-time high or the higher high was obviously higher than the next one was obviously lower than the last one. The same thing was happening on the bottom, exact same thing was happening. So this lower low was obviously lower than this one, then this one was higher, and then it is starting to close in. In the next 2 to 3 days, the symmetrical triangle that has formed will most likely close in, and after that we will get into a very strong uptrend. Now keep in mind, whenever a symmetrical triangle closes in, usually what happens is there is an uptrend that follows, and the uptrend follows until the last highest high we had, which is over here, the all-time high. So most likely it will be up to there, and from that point will be the point which will be the deciding point. So now at this point we just need to wait for the next 3 days as the symmetrical triangle closes in, and then the uptrend will follow and most likely take us to an all-time high again, and then that is going to be the deciding point for where to go from here. Personally, I'm very excited to see that, but there are some very interesting news that have come out towards Shiba Inu predicting that this might actually happen quicker than all of us are thinking. So Ethereum whale grabs over 153 billion Shiba Inu. Now 153 billion is quite a bit of money. You guys can see $11 million worth of Shiba Inu was purchased in a single transaction. Now just let that process. A lot of people a couple of days ago was saying Shiba Inu is just a scam coin, no one's gonna invest in it, and one single transaction is close to 11 million US dollars. It just shows that Shiba Inu has a lot of room to grow. It is just starting to cool off, and once it starts spiking, most likely all the other tokens will start to come down a little bit. As reported by you today previously, several large crypto holders known as whales have become interested in the second largest meme crypto and has been buying large lumps of it. I mean, 6 trillion Shiba has been grabbed by one of the biggest whales, so that is crazy, and we're talking 6 trillion, not billion. Now moving on, Shiba Inu to get listed on Kraken before Robinhood, here's how it would impact the price. Now everyone is thinking that the price will obviously spike up before Thursday because it is a rumor, and as soon as the news drop there will be a small pullback. Now when that pullback happens, I personally think will be the best time to buy in if you guys are looking to buy more Shiba Inu, because after that it will start coming back up very quickly. The recovery will be very fast, but you just have to be on time to make sure that you grab it at the right second. I would personally think that it would have a pullback at least up to 64 before it starts recovering again. That is the prediction, close to 64 before it starts recovering again, and that will be a good point to buy into. Now talking about this article that was posted, it was posted by our boys at Psn Crypto, and they talked about the whale which is still holding on to 5.7 billion US dollars worth of Shiba Inu. Now this person in brief is just making a guess, let's say that. The 5.7 billion wallet first purchased Shiba Inu on 1st of October 2020. It is one of the oldest Shiba owning wallets, suggesting ties to its creator Ryoshi. Our sources have named the individual believed to control the wallet, and if we actually go down, they said it is really hard to say where this wallet has come in from, but most likely it is going to be Neymar Jahan, who is the founder of Unifaction. He is the founder of that. I mean, it's really hard to hide $5.7 billion, I'll be super honest, but it's really cool that they actually were able to track down who the specific person is. Hey, my man is rich, that's all we can say. Now talking about the petition, everyone is looking at the Robinhood petition, but some people have forgotten there is another petition going on for Amazon to accept Shiba Inu as a form of payment, and let's just say it has close to 200,000. So this article was posted, then I looked at it, and it has close to 200,000 signs already. If you are part of this SHIB army, I recommend you go sign it, because the more people that decide to sign, the more impact it will have on Amazon. And if Amazon decides to add Shiba Inu to their portfolio and let it be as a form of, you will be able to purchase through, that would be insane. I mean, personally, I do see it happening because they did not add Dogecoin as Elon was supporting it. You guys know Jeff Bezos and Elon don't really go well together. And if Shiba is complete opposite to Dogecoin, they are against each other. Same thing as Elon and Jeff. Maybe Elon and Jeff rivalry might actually just help Shiba Inu become the first cryptocurrency to be accepted by Amazon. Now talking about the price prediction. The price prediction at the moment seems to be very interesting, because I personally think the price prediction is going to be crazy, but we just need to wait. That is my personal opinion. At the moment, the all-time high is going to be the new point that everyone is waiting for, but you need to wait another 3 to 4 days just to see the Shiba Inu spike climbing back up. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do you want to stay updated with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.